In this video, I'm going to tell you the one skill that I learned that got me to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And that's video SEO. Learning how to rank videos in YouTube search. And it's the best skill that you can learn today to start your own online business and start building an audience and a following. Getting my videos ranked in search is how I got started getting views as a small channel. Once I started getting views, I could build up my watch time and deliver enough value to my viewers to convince them that it's worth subscribing to my channel because of the value that I can deliver within my videos. I want to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and subscribing to my YouTube channel. To thank you, I want to ask you to leave me a comment below letting me know what your channel is all about. And I'm going to check out your channel and see if I enjoy watching your videos, because I want us to grow together as a community. So my journey with learning SEO started out when I started my channel in the middle of last year. It took a while to learn and try out the different skills that I needed to be able to rank my video. But once I started ranking my videos and getting lots of views, my friends started to ask me how I was getting these kinds of views on a small channel when I was just starting out. And I explained to them that it's pretty simple. All you need to do is to start ranking videos in search. And then once these videos are ranked in search, you can get views while you sleep. But to start ranking videos when you're first starting out on a new channel, when you don't have a lot of subscribers and you don't have a lot of channel authority, it's really hard to get that initial traction. So I decided to document everything that I was doing in order to rank videos in search so that I could share this with my friends. And I've put all of this together into a course called YouTube 1000. Now the information in this course is worth a lot of money, but I wanted to find a way to thank you, my loyal friends who watch my YouTube videos and who've subscribed to my channel, because I want you to get a lot of views on your channel. I want you to grow an audience that you can help deliver value to on YouTube. So I'm going to give you access to this course for free for the first 24 hours. I'll leave you a link down in the description below. Please share this video with your closest friends that you think are interested in starting a YouTube channel and would benefit from learning how to rank videos in search and how to build an audience on YouTube. In this course, I'm going to show you how to rank your videos on YouTube and how to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours so you can monetize your YouTube channel. Remember, the course is only free for the next 24 hours. So make sure you share the link with your friends right now so they can get in while it's still free. Thank you so much for your support on this channel, and I'll see you inside the course.